Mr. Right here, and in this film we're going to understand how to find the mode. Now the mode is one of three averages. It's one of the ways of getting a handle on what the typical number is from a list of numbers. And sometimes people think, hey, wait a minute, which one's the mode? Because I know we've got the mean and the median and the mode. Those are the three averages, and also there's a range as well. But which one's which? So here is the rhyme you need. Hey diddle diddle, the median's the middle, you add and divide for the mean, the mode is the one that you see the most. So the mode is the most common number in a list of numbers. Let's have a look at this example here. And if you think you know what to do, then why not pause the film now and find the mode of these numbers. Right, now the mode is the one that you see the most. Now often it's easiest to find the mode if you've got the numbers in order. So I'm going to put the numbers in order. I've got one there, there's another one there, there's another one there. Are there any more ones? No. There's a 2 there. Are there any more 2s? No. There's a 3 and another 3. Are there any more 3s? No, there's a 4 and another 4, and then there's a 5. So the mode is the one that you see the most. Now I've written them in order. I can see that there are more 1s than there are any other number. So the mode of those numbers is 1. It's the most common number. The mode is the one that you see the most. Now modes don't always have to be numbers. Look at this. Here are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 colours. Maybe they're the colours of cars that go past a traffic light or something. But which is the modal colour? Which is the most common colour? Which is the colour that you see the most? Well, I don't think we really have to count them up terribly carefully in this case, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blues, which is more than any other colour. So the mode is the one that you see the most. So the modal colour is blue. All right. Now look out, because sometimes there isn't a mode. Sometimes there isn't a number that you see the most. In these 5 numbers here, each number only appears once, so there isn't a mode. And indeed, if you have a think about these numbers, 40, 30, 60, 60, 30, and 40, which is the number you see the most there? Which is the most common number? Well, the answer is there isn't a most common number. Each number appears twice, but there's no number that appears more than any other. So there isn't a mode there either. So beware, sometimes there isn't a mode. So, to conclude, to find the mode, you find the number that appears the most. The mode is the one that you see the most. Hey diddle diddle, the median's the middle. You add and divide for the mean. The mode is the one that you see the most.